أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I begin in the name of Allah, the merciful, the beneficent. First of all, being the Imam, the Molana for the Wakefield Shia community, it is my honor to welcome all of you from different fields of life, representing different parts of the British community. It is an honor to have you here today, and I welcome you with the words, Salam alaikum wa rahmatullah, may the peace of the Lord be upon you all. We as a community have been working here since 2018. And Balne Community Center has always been our hub. And I want to take this opportunity to thank the Executive Committee of Balne Community Center, the directors, for giving us this opportunity to unite Muslims, to unite non-Muslims, and come together in the name of humanity. I want to begin with a saying from the successor of the Holy Prophet, Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, in which Imam Ali alayhi salatu wasalam says, you are either brothers in faith or you are equal in humanity. This is the foundation of the Shia religion. Shia religion teaches peace, harmony, respect, and we see this in the life of the Holy Prophet of Islam. Those people that have taken Islam from other than the true representatives of the religion of Islam are those that are taking people apart from each other. You see, they are breaking hearts, they are destroying lives. But those that have taken the teaching of the religion of Islam from the true source, those are those people that you see throughout the world, they are uniting and they are bringing hearts together. The blessed month of Ramadan, it is a month in which we come together as humans. No matter if you are religious or you are non-religious, no matter what is your color, no matter where you belong in this world, if you are British or if you are French, no matter who you are, every single person feels hunger. A religious person cannot turn around and say, I feel more hunger than a non-religious person. Or a religious person can say, I feel more thirst than a non-religious person. Every person feels hunger and thirst equally. And this beautiful month of God reminds every single Muslim, no matter how religious you are, no matter how strong rooted you are in religion, no matter what, you need to unite if you want to live in this world as equals, as united, and most of all, being born and bred here in Wakefield, we have been brought up with the British values. And the British values are simple. They are that you need to love one another, you need to respect one another, and you need to bear with each other. The reason why we have misconceptions is because we don't put or take the first step to understand each other. And tonight, this unity Iftaar, organized by Anjuman, GHULAMAN-E-AULAD-E-ZAHRA, Slam, Allah, عليها, a mouthful, in short, AGAZ, Wakefield, UK. This is our step to bring communities together, so together we can understand Islam, understand the Holy Prophet of Islam, and understand that God who created every single person equal. May Allah bless you all, and may you have a wonderful dinner after all of these speeches, and I'm sure that you are hungry. Once again, I want to thank my respected guests. May Allah bless you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.